What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to be playing Downshot. So I'm gonna show you how to make like a jetpack type flying machine. Okay, so you're gonna need 4 miniguns, and then get this, the gravity gun, load gun, wire gun, switch, and the dynamic good gun. So first, you want to make something like this and copy that over like that. I'm going to use the gravity gun to help move it. Then I'm gonna grab the miniguns. Make sure where the bullets come out are facing back like this. So like this will be the back of whatever you want to call it, aircraft. Let's do that. I'll probably skip this part. And 3, 2, 1, and you got this. So now what you want to do is get the switch, put it like this, make it extra sticky here, and then now with the wire gun you want to wire all these miniguns to the switches. Okay, so now the final thing that we need is 2 of the climb tools. These are pretty buggy because if you like grab my hand, if you grab your hand, then yeah, you kind of gotta just go flying. But that's not it. So now you've got yourself an aircraft thing. So I'm gonna do this, flip the switch all the way. So sometimes the switch will flip, but don't do it with a button because the button is way worse and you have to hold down the button. Oh my god. You see what I mean? Like, kind of flips back. Bro, you see like it randomly teleports. But if you don't want to deal with those bugs, then you only need 1 climb tool for this glitch. You just grab onto your hand, and then wherever you point the bottom of this, and then like pull back, you will float. You see? And there's another design for that. So I'm just gonna clap my hands and it'll be magically there. Kaboom! Now, we have the jetpack 2.0. So, I do that. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to wire it. Wait a minute. Kaboom! Okay, so, now we can actually test this out. So, let's do this. Flip the switch. Was all the miniguns working? Wait. Come on, guys. Let's look at this again. Oh yeah, see that? But I think I made the platform a bit too big. So I think I made the platform a bit too big, but that's okay because if you guys want to try it, then feel free. So yeah, this is what it looks like. this. Wait, nope. Okay, let's just. Okay, that's gone. Okay, so yeah, I did the 4 miniguns, and this is a bit off too. I did 4 miniguns. You should probably make the platform like smaller than that. Make sure to wire all the stuff to the switch. Make sure it's a switch because buttons just like don't really work. They don't really stay in place. That's the thing. So switches, but they're a bit better with that. And yeah. See you in the next video.